Pull, pull, pull. As you can see, I am working on Joan bus, but we're going to call it Joan bus 1 now, not to be confused with Joan bus 2, which is a little bit bigger and is white, unless I have Joan bus black and Joan bus white. What do you think? I just wanted to, I thought this would be the quickest way of doing this, is to have a look out the skylark. I've got aboard the skylark, skylight, to have a look at the roof. Okay, there's a couple of things in here that are just slightly different that I can't get used to, and one of them is that the handbrake is on the right hand side, down here. See, the handbrake is on the right hand side. Can't really get used to that yet. Can't get used to that. Keep going to the left. Keep going to the left is what I do. And the other one is this. Usually, here, see, usually, when you have, sorry, come up here. Usually when you have one of these, you push it down, 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 down. But this one, you go up for it to get the windscreen wipers to work. Down is supposed to be squirting, but it doesn't. It says down is squirt. Or do you pull it forward? No, you pull it forward to squirt. Sorry, my apologies, forward to squirt. Okay. That works. Yes, up. Up is stop. Here we go. That's what the dash looks like. That's the dash. It had one of these car radios in it. It has one of these car radios in it, should I say. So yeah, still good. Still good. Yeah. Getting used to it. Getting used to it. This is quite, look, can you see this? This is how old this is. I think it's one of those that you used to put up here and clip for your map to be. Do you remember maps before they were on your phone or as a handy extra device? Yes, that's for maps, I think. Seems weird opening that way. Does it open this way? No, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't open that way.